am Carol Angela Davis. I'm looking at coronavirus and air pollution. The Guardian reporting that coronavirus has been detected on particles of air pollution, folks. They are investigating whether this means coronavirus can be carried over longer distances and therefore increase the number of people who are infected with the disease. Now, we should tell you it is just a preliminary study by Italian scientists there at the University of Bologna trying to see if the virus does remain viable on pollution particles and insufficient quantity to, of course, cause the disease. Now, the Italian scientists studied outdoor air samples at an urban and an industrial site there in northern Italy, which is one of Europe's most polluted regions. Apparently, they did identify a gene highly specific to COVID-19 in multiple samples, bringing me to our sleigh word impervious for hard to get through to. Don't have an impervious mind. We have to understand the link between coronavirus and air pollution. Previous studies have shown that pollution likely carried the viruses carrying bird flu. Pollution carried them. Also measles, also foot and mouth disease over considerable distances. Professor Jonathan Reed, he's at Bristol University in the UK. He's doing similar research and says, quote, "It is perhaps not surprising that while suspended in air, the small droplets could combine with background urban particles and be carried around," unquote. One professor said, think of it like this: the pollution particle is like a micro airplane and the droplets are the passengers, folks. Yes. Another professor indicating that tiny droplets between 0.1 and 1 micron may travel further when combining with pollution particles that themselves are up to 10 microns. That's because the combined particle is larger and less dense than the droplet and therefore can stay in the air longer. Wow. I'm Carol Angela Davis. Get me on Instagram and Twitter, Carol Angela Davis. Thanks for watching.